Hello Japan, we just arrived in Japan. Yes, first time namin sa Japan. And dito kami sa Osaka Airport, Kansai Airport. Wala pang ligo. Actually, hindi pa ako naligo kasi I almost missed the flight. Hindi naman almost, pero I just woke up late. Okay, we just passed the immigration and now we are free to roam around Osaka.
The food haven.
Food haven ba?
Yes, that's what we're saying.
Finding our way to our hotel. Hotel ba kayo?
Hotel, yes.
Yeah, to our hotel. We're still here in the airport. Okay, nakapag-exchange na kami ng pera. We just got off from the train and we are walking our way to our accommodation, to our hotel. So 5 minutes walk to our hotel. Ito dito, it looks like a place parang red light district. Daming mga girls, mga parang mga club. So meron din mga daming mga bike na sa park. We walked for a few minutes and nakarating na kami sa hotel namin. Itong Reifa. Yeah, Reifa. Okay, we found our room. Actually kanina mali yung room na namin napuntahan. Ito pala siya. So, ayan. Abrigen. Yan. Okay. Nabuksan na namin yung pintuan namin and we are getting in. Where's the light switch? Alright. And this is our room. Actually, yung first na pinuntahan namin kanina na Reifa na orange, that was the wrong room. So, we are here.
Now we are at the right place.
Okay. Yeah, I'll show you Japan first. Mga streets. This is in Osaka. I can vlog here kasi wala masyadong tao. See. It's 9 PM and it's quiet already. Yung room namin, andyan lang siya. It's just along the road. So it's here. Okay, it's already 10:30 Japan time, 10:30 PM and we nakapag-set up, we just settled in our Airbnb, accommodation sa hotel. And now nagutom kami. And we're gonna look for something to eat. So we decided to go to a grocery and we're on our way to the grocery. Okay. Ito po ang Osaka. Hindi siya buong Osaka pero ito na yung grocery na pupuntahan namin. We will buy food in the grocery para mas makatipid at saka experience local rather than sa mga touristy areas. Yung mga pagkain dito, mga microwavables, ito siya, mura lang to sa kung i-peso mo, 218 yen. So parang nasa less na mga 100 or less. Ito mukhang masarap to, parang may omelette, sandwich, tapos ito may complete meal. Ito may isda. Anong isda to? Sa stekin. Wala, doon sa bro, sa man ito, takoyaki. Yung 168. Takoyaki.
Kompleto rin pa kayo.
Oo. Mas mahal to. Rice, 218. 498. O 500. Sushi, sashimi. Meron silang mga bottled coffee. Pang ice. Grocery lang, buti na lang may microwave sa apartment, sa hotel namin. So, we can just eat and cook. Okay, good morning. It's 9:30 a.m. here in Osaka, Japan. Just, we're ready to go out now. Punta kami sa Kyoto, I think. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami. Yung isang kasama ko andun pa sa loob. Ito yung room namin. Ito. Nasa labas lang talaga siya ng daanan. Look here. Yeah, ito yung typical na mga Japanese streets. Ang init actually. It's summer. Ang init. Medyo mahapdi sa skin. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Kyoto. No? Kyoto? And we're going to, first trip namin is yung 1,000 gates. 1,000 Torii gates. So, ang init ngayon, papunta kami sa train station kasi yun yung first na ano. Nagbe-base na kami sa Google Maps. Okay, we're just walking papunta sa train station. Okay. Okay, Keihan line ticket. One way. Two way, ano? Pabirada?
No.
One way lang gayud. Or 2 persons sa dyan. Baka discount kung 2 person. Okay, we just arrived here in Kushiri Inari Station. This is where the 1,000 gates Torii gates is near. So, ayan, it's touristy. Dapat nagpayong talaga. Buti pa siya may payong. Ang init. Yeah, it's really so dito lang tayo para makatipid tayo. Meron naman dito mga meal. Mamaya na kami kakain sa mahal yung sa mga napapanood namin sa vlogs. Yung talagang mga masasarap talaga. So for now, we will eat this. Ito medyo heavy to. Ang rice. Okay, I think this is the first Torii gate. And I don't know kung Torii gate ba yan. Okay, we're getting in. Okay, we're having our coffee and may kasama akong Koreano. Ansamida.
Annyeong sayo.
Okay, parang ito mga residential area nila. Ano to, politiko? Yan, sige. Pasok pa tayo doon. So this is a very touristy area, daming tao and medyo pricey yung mga binibenta dito. So kung nagtitipid kayo mag-travel, pwede naman dito kasi merong mga convenience store like 7-Eleven, Lawson, saan namin itong binili yung coffee. So, yes! May temple dito or monument or shrine. Okay, so we're gonna get in now. This is what it looks like. Yep, medyo maraming tao. Humanity is a prayer of peace. Let's pray in peace and quiet.
Yan. Nakaliba di ko no.
So ito na yung Torii Thousand Gates. Ito na yung simula ng entrance niya, I think. Kasi ang dami na. Ang dami na yung ano. So we're gonna get closer. Unfortunately, ang daming tao. Oh yeah. Oo, okay, ang ganda dito. Ang daming tao, ang daming nagpapapicture. So wala na akong pakialam mag-photo. So this is a very famous tourist attraction, kaya ang daming tao dito. Ito na yan. Finally, we are here. This is what we came here for. Yan. Kosa ka songkin?
Forgot.
So this is a really cool place. Unfortunately, ang daming tao. Pen. So yan yung restroom dito. Bale, ito pala siyang Thousand Gates. It's like a hiking trail. So mag-hike ka papunta doon. So maraming mga ganito. Ito. Which was put by the locals. Ayan. So ito medyo nasa malayo-layong part ng trail na kami. Kumukonti na yung tao. The more you go further, mas konti na yung tao. Sana hindi na lang kami nakisiksikan kanina dun, kasi dito
But look,
you kinda like own the place. So ito siya, tapos meron ding river dito sa side. Ayan. So it's really a nice place to visit. Dito, ito sa Kyoto po ito. Okay, medyo malayo-layo ng nalakad namin. Kumukonti na yung tao.
and soon tiring, but fun.
It's summer and sobrang init. For TikTok. Haggard na. Haggard. Sweaty yung kara siya nagka-tissue like. Okay, we're here sa part na parang ano, may shrine dito. So I hope okay lang ginagawa ko. Nag-video ako. Yeah, sa part na to parang may mga monument yata or mga burial site, memorial site yata. So look here. So yan. Ito sa area na to maraming monument. I don't know, monument pa yan or siguro shrine. Tapos ito dito mga souvenir area. You can buy some souvenir here. Candles, yes. Earrings. Okay, sa part na to dito wala na masyadong tao. So pwede ka nang makapicture ng maayos. Yeah, dito parang may mga old houses or a shop. Hinihingal ako kasi hiking trail talaga to. Paakyat yung dinaanan namin. So Okay, sa part na to, overlooking yun. Kyoto. Kyoto, no? Yeah, big city pala talaga yung Kyoto. Look at Kyoto. Yeah. That's Kyoto. Dami din buildings. Dami din tao yata dito. Pababa, paakyat dito. Hingalin ka talaga. Pero it's worth it. Ganda ng view. It's already 1:30 Japan time. Kaya medyo ano pa yung lighting. Medyo harsh. Okay, right now pabalik na kami sa train station and we are going to another tourist spot here in Kyoto. Pawis na pawis kami kasi nakakapagod paakyat pababa sa forest. But it's really nice in here. Look. Okay, so here's another shrine along the way. Nag-stop kami. Ganda dito. We are done with our trip here sa Thousand Gates. And palabas na kami ngayon. We're going to a train station going to another spot. Okay, ito na yung pinaka-touristy area talaga dito. May mga souvenirs, mga benta-benta, may mga fruits, ayan, mga meat. Ayan, medyo pricey dito. Pero meron namang mura sa Lawson or mga convenience store like Lawson, 7-Eleven, or I don't know kung may 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Ito yung mga typical river sa Japan. Okay, right now we are in downtown Kyoto. Ito yung city nila. Yung shopping center, you'll see na Uniqlo and mga other Japanese brands. We're waiting for our bus going to a bamboo forest. Medyo mahaba daw itong biyahe. Heading to the Arashiyama bamboo forest. Patid din naman siya ba sa kito? Okay. Do not enter. So it's a little late already. Okay, we are in Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. It's a little dark in here. Late na rin. It's already 6:15 p.m. So, wala nang sunset. We were supposed to go here sa yung sunset pero medyo nagkagulo-gulo yung Google Maps. So, hindi kami nakarating dito right on time. Ayan yung mga bamboo. Okay, now tapos na kami sa aming trip. We are going back to Osaka. It's very dark already. We are crossing the bridge. Okay, that is the Hankyu Arashiyama station. So this is the Hankyu Arashiyama station. Okay, here we are going back to Osaka.
Blown out curiosity ko na. Blown out.
What's blown out?
Blown out.
Okay.
Kompleta.
Okay. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket. Good morning. It's our third day here in Osaka. And now we are getting ready for our travel. So we're not gonna go out yet. As per weather forecast, the rain will stop at 11 a.m. So we're just gonna stay here in our room first and wait for the rain to stop. Okay guys, hello, we're back. This is our third day and we are walking. For this day, sa Osaka lang kami, hindi kami outside the city. Mostly food trip lang sa ngayon. Yun lang. Food trip. So first stop is we're gonna have our breakfast. Ramen ba? Sushi. A sushi shop. So it's a 30-minute walk from here. So okay lang sa amin maglakad since masarap naman maglakad dito sa Japan. So we're just gonna walk and take photos. So along the way may park din dito. So this park is closed. Okay, so ito yung destination namin. Actually, namin to kasi pinipilahan talaga siya. As you can see, medyo may pila na. We were supposed to be here earlier, pero kaso lang umulan. So we had to wait for the rain to stop. Now, eto na kami. Eto. Pinipilahan siya. Okay, pipila na kami dito. Ito po yung sa bakin, white Ken? Sa white? Hindi pala yan. Ito. Okay.
Sila ka ha?
Cheese ito. Sabi yung sa bakin? Kilo. Karaoke ito umay. Kilo karaoke. Anong tawag doon, sir?
This one.
Anong this one? In Japanese.
Deluxe seafood bowl.
Seafood bowl?
Yes.
This is what ito yung in-order namin. Okay, so dumating na yung order. Ito yung order. Oh my God. Look at this. Parang hindi pa siya luto. Actually, hindi talaga.
Hindi luto.
Hindi talaga siya luto. Sashimi daw, sashimi.
Sino kaya ma-cooked egg?
Sige. Ikaw rin. Okay, we just got our order. And this is mine. Puro mga hilaw din. And I'm really not sure if I can eat this, but I'm gonna try.
Ay, okay, Ed, sorry.
Okay na. So this one is sea urchin. Yan, yes, familiar siya sa sea urchin kasi nakakain ko na yun siya sa mga beach. Okay, soy sauce daw.
Soy sauce.
Okay, soy sauce. Kasi first time ko nito kumain.
steak.
First time ko kumain ito, especially yung mga ganyan, mga uncooked na fish. I don't know if I can eat this, but I will.
What is this?
Sige, para siya yung sound effects nga.
ASMR.
Okay. Paano ang first?
Of course, you can also drink soup.
And soup?
I mean, you can
Ikaw bahala. Yeah.
dip. It's good.
Pwerte, wasabi. Pwerte le.
Yes.
Dapat man spread good ka man.
Too much.
Poko lang ngayon. Okay, pwerte daw. Malakas daw yung wasabi. So ito siya, may rice siya sa loob. So inuulam pala ito siya, Ken?
Yes.
Ulam, rice, tapos...
Like sashimi with on top of our rice.
so bigger version lang siya, no?
Almost separate lang.
Separate. Okay. Oo nga, no? Makes sense. Okay. Yeah, tapos na kami kumain. We have a mixed feeling. Kasi may konting kaba. May konting kaba, baka ano,
Pasakitin siya.
baka sasakitin siya kasi super hilaw. Ang daming hilaw na kinain. Grabe. Okay, after namin kumain dito, kinakabahan ako baka kasi ang daming hilaw, mga isda, shrimp, basta puro hilaw. First time ko.
Yeah, that's why it's called sashimi.
Yeah, it's an experience, sashimi na nasa bowl, nasa rice. So, okay, next, kailangan namin ng Coke. Coke, we need Coke para matunaw, matulungan yung ano, sa acid ng tiyan. Okay, right now dito kami sa Osaka Castle Park. Sa park pa lang, pero hindi sa castle. So ito yung park dito. Going to Osaka Castle. That's the castle. Malakas na yung araw. Nice sound yung mag-ito. So this is Osaka. Ito yung yung NHK. NHK yung napapanood sa cable TV. Yan yung building nila. NHK. Walk now. Okay, andito na po kami banda sa Osaka Castle. Ito na yung Osaka Castle Park. Pero meron siyang parang magandang part dito, yung tubig. Yun doon. So we're gonna go there. And okay, ito na yung parang isa sa mga walls ng castle. Para siyang may town sa loob, may city. No, it's not the castle. Pero part lang le. Eh, kung mga walled city ganili, oo. Pwede sa kanya, taki. Ang ganda dito. Look, ito siya yung wall. Andyan sa loob yung castle, para siyang town dyan sa loob. Actually, andun na yung castle, kaso hindi talaga makita dito sa angle na to. Pero that one is part of the castle. Siguro guardhouse. Checking for anyone who invades. So yeah, it's really nice here. Okay, we are here sa we're crossing the water. Ito na papasok sa Osaka Castle. And this is a famous spot. So expected na talagang maraming tao. But it's really nice here. Look, nagpipicture ng mga tao. It's really nice. I'll show you sa side dito. So parang ganito siya. So may tubig. Ito yung parang bridge from the water papunta sa castle, sa city yata sa loob, sa Imperial Town. Tapos right in front of this spot here, ang dami mga buildings dito. City and open area lang, ang ganda. Okay. So we're going in. Okay. Ganito yung sa loob niya. Uy, ang ganda. Okay, we're getting closer to the Osaka Castle. I can see it from here. Yes, that's the Osaka Castle. So it sits right in the middle of this, parang protective part nila. May pila lang dito, medyo mahaba. And may bayad yata sa ticket. We don't know how much yung ticket, pero we'll find out pagdating natin doon. Ayan po yung pila papunta sa loob. Okay, malapit na kami sa castle. Okay, paakyat na kami sa castle. Okay, we are now in the castle. Okay, so this is the inside of the museum. Ito ditong part na to. Pwede na siya mag-camera. Yung sa ibang part yung may mga actual remnants, mga artifacts, mga bawal i-video or i-picture. Top of the castle. Merong viewing area dito. Facing back. The Osaka skyline. Hindi na ba ito kayo rin? Agua. Ito na gata ng tour, no? It's like a really big city, pero when you go into the streets parang ghost town kasi konti lang yung tao. Ito dito mas malapit. Okay, coffee muna kami ngayon, tumatambay. Tapos na kami dun sa Osaka Castle. Now we're drinking coffee. Ang init pa rin, pero mamaya pupunta kami sa shopping center. Okay, right now we are going to Dotonbori. Maglalakad lang kami. Parang hindi na siya sobrang init ngayon. It's already 3 PM. So the heat is bearable.
On the outsole.
That's right, straight. Sun-kissed.
Wow, that's nice.
5:45. We are here in Shinshibashi. It's a shopping center here with different stores. We are here in Dotonbori. Ang daming tao as in. Okay, ang ganda dito. Dito po to sa may yung Running Man na sobrang sikat. Pinupunta ng mga tao. And there's so many people here in different parts of the world. But I like this view better than the Running Man. Okay, dito kami nag-decide na kumain itong resto na to. Parang fast food siya. Tapos kapag order ka dito lang sa machine, pwede siya magbayad through GCash. Ayan. Yan biglagan. Okay, we got our food. This is the food. And this is the food.
Yes.
Okay, nabusog na kami.
Yes.
And wala na, pauwi na kami. Okay, dito naman kami ngayon somewhere still in Osaka, and this looks like Christmas. Parang Christmas season. It's so nice. Sa Dotonbori pa rin to, I think. It's so beautiful here. It's like magic. This place is beautiful. Okay, this one looks like a Christmas place. Oh. It's a beautiful place here, beautiful experience. Sobrang ganda. Look. Yan, ang ganda ng lights dito. Okay guys, good morning. It's our day 4 here in Osaka and we're heading to Shirakawa-go. We woke up early this morning because we are catching a train ride to Shirakawa-go. we're gonna spend one night in that location, and we're checking out in our hotel here. It's just along the road. So we're going now. Bye bye. We are here in Nagoya. We're heading to Shirakawa-go. And we just bought our bus ticket and we are buying food for our long ride. It's gonna be around 3 hours. Ken, pronto Ken. Okay. Ken, sabo ka kuhan. Pasali agad el bus. Basing ko sali.
Nakuha sa siya ng egg, no? Kasi ito, teriyaki chicken egg.
Okay guys, this is in Nagoya. We are currently in the bus going to Shirakawa. And ang ganda din sa Nagoya. Look at the city. It's so nice. Okay, we are on our bus ride going to Shirakawa-go. Short break lang from the bus. Dito pala kami sa Hirugano. Hirugano Kogensa. Tapos merong viewing deck dito. Ang init pero malamig yung hangin. Akyat din tayo dun. Tingnan natin ano makikita dyan. Overlooking yata ito dito. Pwede rin umakyat dito. Ayun, iakyat ako. Okay, yung view lang talaga doon ang pinupuntahan ng mga tao. Okay, this one. This view. Parang may green. May castle green. Parang yun. This one. That way.
If you are heading to Kanazawa Station, please stay on.
Okay, we are now here in Shirakawa-go. It's a small town with very, very charming vibes. If you're watching mga Ghibli anime movies, so this is exactly the vibes that it gives. Look at these houses. So it says here that they don't have trash cans. Ito yung inn namin, Shirakawa-go Inn. And wala pang tao. Actually, this place looks like a ghost town. There's really no one here except us. Look. It's a small town here in Shirakawa. It's near, nanggaling kami sa Nagoya City. It's a big city pero ito siya. Sobrang laid back small town na para siyang ghost town. Look, like really there's no one here. Pero ang ganda niya, it's so charming mga bahay niya. May mga old houses. Yun. Sarap din mag-explore dito. Look at the village or the houses. They're so nice. Ayan. Ang init lang ngayon, it's summer. Today is August 8. August 8 yata. Actually, meron pang mga area doon mas maganda talaga. Yan, para walang tao yan, convenience store. Meron dyan isang tao sa loob. And this is doon yung Koreano kong kasama. Look, mag-isa lang talaga siya. Picture din. Bale 4 PM pa yung check-in namin sa hotel. And we just went there to just leave our bags, our luggages. Pero later 4 PM we'll go back there to check in. So it's really hot. Buti na lang nabili ko tong cup na to sa Muji. Mas mura yung Muji dito kaysa sa Manila. Okay, malayo pa kami sa actual na tourist destination dito, pero we're loving it. Sobra. Ang dami na namin nakuha picture. Look at the view, guys. Look. Look, it's so beautiful. Grabe. And andun yun sa taas kami nang galing, may highway dun sa taas. Dun yung yung expressway nila. Look guys, it's so beautiful. Sobrang init. Pero ang ganda. Kasama ko andun. Layo niya pa. So while walking here, you also see some monuments. Mga ganito. Actually maraming ganito dito sa tabi lang. Basta marami sila. Okay, bibili kami ng merienda. Ito yung mga merienda. Parang spaghetti na. Sa hotdog pan. Spaghetti ba yan? I don't know. Burger. Ito, parang kakaibang burger. Mura lang ito siya. Siguro in peso mga nasa 50 or 60 pesos. Cosa mantiene? Este di mio, este. Amengan este nanti o. Yung otro este o.
Oh, ese chula oh.
Sige, okay lang tamin siya.
Kami ko di bang
Masing ko siya.
ikaw mapili.
Itong pipiliin ko. Okay ba? Okay, sa convenience store, kakain muna kami. It's very nice. Okay, finally we are here in Shirakawa-go. I mean, the famous old village. Dito medyo marami ng tourists. They're walking around farm.
Kolorya at tao.
Huh?
Yung mga bata.
Okay, now we are heading to Cultural Assets Wada's house. It's really hot. It's 3 PM. Okay, look at the place here. It's so lovely. It's like a dream. Tapos meron pang mga gillis dito.
村长家了。
Okay, so apparently this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ang ganda dito. Meron ding ilog dito. There's a river here. Okay, so we are now entering the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, apparently this mostly dito made of wood yung bahay nila. So beautiful. So ito siya dito, may bahay, tapos sa tabi ng bahay is yung rice field, rice paddies. Look, so beautiful. Siguro hanggang ngayon tinitirahan pa talaga nila ito. It's so hot. Okay, dito may pasalubong items. Ang laki pala nito, ang dami niyang mga ganitong bahay. May mga ganda na laruan. Basta guys, ang ganda talaga dito. Sobrang ganda. Kung sasakyan para si ano, no? Kalienta ka?
来，过来，过来。
No?
他不是说看到那
And
个
freshen up?
地方右转就是这边吗？
Meron dito itong tubig. Hindi ko alam anong purpose nito. Siguro palamig dahil sa init. Fire monitors. Okay. Ang ganda. Tapos bawat bahay parang may mga pond sila ganito. Rice paddies nila dito. Tinatanim yung mga rice. Tapos may souvenir shop doon. And it looks so cool. Yeah. It's amazing. Okay, ngayon walang ulan pero look at the roof. It's pouring water. Amazing. And there is a really big tree. Yeah, this tree is so big. Laki niya. Sabado lang ka ba? Pin me daw ng storm si tala kita. May abla yun 2 weeks ago, china tamin storm. So it's always so basta July, August. Kaso daw, every time daw na holiday sila, hindi na daw sila taan lalakay. July. Ang ganda talaga. May rice paddies doon, na parang rice terraces sa Pilipinas. Tapos yung mga bahay, ang gaganda. It's already 5 p.m. and kumukonti na yung mga tao. Actually, wala nang tao dito. So, it's kind of like we own the place already here. Wala nang tao. It's so nice. Napagod na sila sa kakalakad. Okay, look here sa kanal nila. Ito yung mga kanal-kanal lang dito sa Japan. Pero, oh my god, ang laki ng isda. Hindi ko alam kung makita sa camera o hindi. Shit, ang laki. Oh my god. Ang laki. Pakita ko sa sapatos ko. O yan, yung paa ko. Ang laki. Meron pang white dito and black. Ang laki ng mga isda. Okay. Grabe ang laki. I just want water. Maybe this one.
This one.
The cheapest. Okay. And the
130
smallest.
lang kasi.
130 yen.
Hindi, I mean 180 to 85 lang.
Sige, sige. Ikaw balangin.
Gusto lang, oh.
Sure.
Nandiya. Hati lang ta.
Yep. So, sinuklian niya dito. And then, ito yung tubig. Ancient sky. Okay guys, konti na lang talaga yung mga tao. And, sarado na rin mga shops. And ang sarap na picturean ng lugar.
Pwede na siya ito.
Okay, ngayon parang pa-exit na kami. We are going out. This is crossing the river. We're gonna cross the river. Dali abaho mga hente, taan dali abaho. Taba sila liyo, pwede lang abaho. Hey guys, it's so nice. Look. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng light doon. Oh. Shit, ang ganda. Oh my God. Ken, sino pala kasakasakin oh? Sinilabang ko, hindi kita sintakin. Okay guys, we are here. Sobrang ganda dito. Galing kami dun sa bridge. We crossed that bridge. And now we're here. Dito. God, it's so beautiful. Ang ganda ng sunset. Ala Ken, binbalik at Ken. I should take you here. Ang ganda talaga. Baba pa ako sa river. Okay, we're done sa aming trip. We're going back to sa inn, sa guest house. Nakikikamino kat pabirada kin. So, babalik na kami doon and have a rest tomorrow. Biyahe na namin going to Tokyo. Okay, it's already 7:15 in the evening.
Can you even
And
see us?
wala nang tao, medyo madilim na. Kaka-check-in lang namin sa aming inn.
It's cold.
Tapos naghanap lang kami ng makain. So, ewan ko lang kung meron pa. Look, again, it's like a ghost town. Like no one is here except us. Ayun, may bukas pa. Yun yung bukas. Okay, right now I'm here at the bus terminal dito here in Shirakawa-go. And we're on our way to Tokyo. Yeah, it's 9:15. The bus is gonna leave at 9:35. So here, just waiting. This is the bus station. So this is the bus station, and those are the old houses. Okay, unfortunately, we missed our bus. We're gonna take the 3 p.m. bus, so we are here in Takayama, just walking around, just killing time while waiting for our bus ride. It's a beautiful city here. Ito yung Takayama station behind me. And this is Takayama. It's very nice, very peaceful and clean. In Takayama, we missed the bus going to Tokyo, so we will be taking the 3 p.m. bus. Still have 4 hours to roam around here. Okay, coffee muna kami dito sa Takayama. Takayama is a very nice city. Look, ang ganda. Tara Ken, let's go. Coffee while walking. We're heading to an old village here in Takayama. So may konting oras pa kami dito sa Takayama. We decided to just visit some famous places here, yung mga walking distance lang. Miss kasi namin yung bus ride namin na supposedly 9 a.m. going to Tokyo. Pero unfortunately 3 p.m. yung next ride na. Next trip niya. So, lakad-lakad muna kami dito. And it looks so beautiful here. We don't see locals. Parang mostly mga tourists lang andito. Look at the city. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful again. Balik at pitid. I think mas gusto yung situation na to. Ikaw na nga kasi naipan na to. Pero mostly dito mga cars nila ang liliit. That's a very small car. Okay, so andito na kami dito sa Old Town. As you can see, andito na yung mga old structures made of wood pa talaga. It's like you're in a samurai movie. And it's so hot. Pero the wind is cold. I think mataas elevation dito kasi hindi siya sobrang init. Oh, this one is so cool. Okay. Ito dito. It's going lunch time already, so medyo harsh light na. But the place still looks beautiful. Yeah, we're still in the Takayama Old Village. And this is so pretty. The place is so nice. As expected, maraming tao since this is a famous spot here. Thank you. What is the chicken again?
Food. Restaurant.
Okay, restaurant. Kin, baka alas 3 siya kina, di atong right. Worth it now? So this is a very lovely town here. Okay.
Okay naman air lang picture. Ano sa phone, kagagara ka din haso.
Ay, siya na entrance, Ken? Late bloomer na sakura. Ala, sakura kasi yan. Late bloomer lang
I
le.
don't know. Never seen one.
So, tapos na kami dun sa old town nila. Right now we're looking for somewhere. We're looking for a place to eat. And we're crossing this bridge. Yung bridge dito. Ito residential area na yan dyan. Yung mga local. Yung local place. Actually, if you can notice it talaga very ghost town-ish yung lugar. Yung mga naglalakad dito mga tourist lang like that. Mga tourist kami. Pero wala kaming makita masyado. Okay, may nakita kaming kainan dito. Meron daw kanila si ano, mandamira yung Google Maps. Kung estabo, baka kita sapatos Ken. Piguntaan ka kung kita, baka nisita. Baka tarda kin po si Ken ha, baka man ano kita. Ang oras. Pigunta ka how many minutes. So dito kami kumain, para siyang bahay lang. It's a house and pagkira ka na table kita kanalya. Okay, experience local no? So ito si ate, may kitchen lang siya doon. Hindi siya nagluluto. Mag-order ng food. Ayan. Okay, ginagawa na ni ate yung noodles. Yung ramen.
Limpin. Joke.
Ano pa rito na yung sapatos mo?
Sa akin lang sa paket kung mo kailatawang. Ito din sa katuto.
Very Japanese. May talaga din na TV Ken. Meron ka tayo na TV. Ano kasi na TV Ken?
Japanese ka. Isa lang sa wala.
はい、お待たせしま
Thank you.
した。
Arigato.
はい、どうぞ。
Japanese
San. Okay, so here's the ramen. Okay, paalis na kami dito. Okay. Solved. Solved. Yes. Ramen. Ramen on summer hot day. Dito halos walang mga tao. Yung makikita mo dito, yung mga tourist lang. Right there. Yan pala yung bus namin. Yan. Shinjuku. Going to Shinjuku from Mahaya. Okay, we just arrived in Tokyo. We are in Shinjuku. And ito yung Shinjuku. Alo Ken! Bimba alam mong Ken? Nadalang syempre yung lights, no? Okay. Okay, Shinjuku, Tokyo. So now we are heading to our inn or hotel. So this is the street going to our Airbnb, to our hotel. Lively, more colorful, and more people walking on the streets. Okay, so this is our hotel. It's on the 4th floor, so hinihingal kami. Okay, day 1 in Tokyo. Medyo umaambon ngayon. Mabilis yung lakad namin going to the train station. Okay, this is Shinjuku. We are heading to the train station. Okay, we're here in... We just got off from the train. Okay. Maganda dito. Okay, we're heading our way to Akihabara. It is drizzling a little. Wala kaming payong but matibay kami. So okay lang dito ng payong. People are wearing umbrellas while we're just walking here. No umbrellas. Okay, andito kami ngayon sa pumipila sa kainan dito. Ito dyan, ramen. Hindi namin alam to pero since mahaba yung pila, so we assume na masarap siya. Okay. We also check the menu. Medyo affordable naman. Ay, lumalakas yung ulan. Oh my god. Medyo matagal na yung paghintay namin. Pero, sige nga. Okay, papasok na kami after almost an hour of waiting. Ticket tender and... Huh? So dito yung pag-order is self-service. We'll just choose the order and then parang bento style. Okay, dito kami sa table upo. Okay, so this is what we got. Sa ramen. siya. Toge siya. Yes, toge. Malalaking toge. Pero papunta pa rin kami dun sa center. Maambon pa rin. Even green na yung ilaw. We are walking now. Parang corporate world dito. Wala masyadong mga so we are here in Akihabara. Puro pala mga gadgets dito. Mga cellphones, cameras, lahat. So ito Google Pixel. So this is the Bashi Akiba. Ito na mga gadgets. Tax-free, all items are tax-free. Pero I think yung tax-free nag-a-apply lang kung 5,000 yen at least ang nabili. Okay, I'm here sa camera. Sa camera. This is Fujifilm. Oh, it's a real camera. Okay, I just watched this on YouTube, mga review nitong camera, and I finally touched this. This is the Sigma BF. Hindi, tapat din silang change. Okay, now, finally, mahawakan ko na yung Hasselblad. One of the most expensive cameras. Shit, it's so heavy. Yeah, it's the 2035. And mga lenses ng Hasselblad. Oh my god. Ito yung mga medium format cameras.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god.
So excited for you, Ed.
Okay, the X-Half camera, it's like a toy. Okay.
Sold out lang.
As we can see, ang daming taong nagpo-Pokemon Go. Everyone is looking at their phone, playing games. And it's nice here. Yan yung kasama ko. Koreano. Yan, photographer. Woo! We're in Akihabara pala. Akihabara. Sorry, it's Akihabara. Daming tao. Okay, buti na lang hindi masyadong umulan ngayon. Kasi kanina malakas yung ulan. Okay, we're done in Akihabara. Now we are in Shibuya. Unfortunately, it's raining, so I'm not sure if we're gonna see those people crossing. We're gonna try. Yeah, it's raining, but the lights are so bright. It's full of lights. Okay, we got tired of walking on the rain. This is our dinner. And maraming tao, sobrang daming tao. May mangkin, doon may lights, no? Basta alya lang. Hello, day 7 in Tokyo, in Japan, and day 2 in Tokyo. So we are going to some mga cultural place. Sa castle siguro, and pagkain ulit, pagkain. Katatapos lang ng ulan and we just got out from our hotel. It's already 11:15. Okay, we're heading to the train para sa next gala namin. Okay, it's lunchtime. Hindi kami nakapunta sa supposedly destination namin because it was raining so hard. So we just have our lunch here in... This is in... What's the nombre again? Una doon. Una... Kokoke? Loto? Shinjuku. This is in Shinjuku. Una Toto. This is in Una Toto. Na wifi name lang. This is in Una Toto, Shinjuku. Look at my background, yeah. It's very Japanese. We will eat eel. Kakain kami ng eel dito. Grilled eel. Which is also a famous Japanese cuisine. Okay, yan po yung menu niya. Yan, that's grilled eel. Okay, so here's what we ordered. This is an eel. Egg roll with eel with printed something. Salad. Soup. Yeah. That's it. Ready to eat. He's actually blessing the food. So bless the food, Ken. I think today is the first time I'm gonna try eel. Ito texture niya. Para siyang isda na bangus. Pero it's softer. Medyo tumila yung ulan. We are here walking our way to the Tokyo Observatory. Tokyo Observatory. Wherein makikita namin yung whole Tokyo. Yung skyline ng Tokyo. Akyat kami sa building na to. Dun sa ayan yung observatory. It says observatory. Ito yung parang Twin Towers. Diyan naakyat kami dyan. Free lang daw. Para makita yung buong Tokyo. So, parang konti lang tao ngayon kasi maulan eh. So, yan, ito yung nasa loob ng complex dito. May malaking garden. A big open space. Okay, so dito i-check nila yung bag. Okay, we are here now at the top. May mga kainan. So, may mga souvenir items. Okay, so this is the observation deck. Here. Sa ibang side. Okay, so sa angle na to, dito yung Mount Fuji. Pero since the weather is not so good, di namin makita. Yan dyan. Yan yung Mount Fuji. Yung Mount Fuji. Oh guys, sobrang daming tao. Grabe. 3:30, mag-rush hour na. Ang daming tao. Dito to, going to Shinjuku Station. Sobrang busy. We are also going to try the matcha toko. Matcha. Okay, today is our last night here in Japan. We just went buying our pasalubong. So we went to Daiso and Don Quijote. And siguro I just spent around 2,000 pesos. Mura lang sa Daiso, and then we went to Don Quijote. Matapos na yung trip, and now we're gonna have our dinner. Last dinner here in Japan. Okay, we're gonna eat here for the second time. This is where we ate yung first night namin sa Tokyo. Okay, it's our last day in Japan, and we are heading to the airport to go back to Manila. So we're gonna say bye-bye now. Going back to Manila. Narita Airport, going back to Manila.